So I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe with Lovable. So to get started, to do this, you have to do is sign in into your Lovable account, and then from here you just have to go to Stripe integration. So the first thing is you need to do is you have to chat driven auto setup recommended. So after you connect your Subapaste and save your Stripe secret recovery key via add API key, just describe what you need. So from here you just have to type in into Lovable AI all of these necessary details right here. So create one, and from here you just have to create a scenario, and then once you're done with that, all you have to do is be sure you add all the details here. So from the key takeaways, use the chat drive flow for both subscriptions and one-off payments. Then never paste your Stripe secret key in chat, so you never chat or type in your secret key in Lovable. So from here just have to go to browser console, then network error Subapaste, and then edge. Then from here just have to follow all the necessary details right here. So the requirements is, before integrating Stripe, ensure the following precautions and prerequisites are met. Make sure your protect must be connected to Subapaste, and then Stripe account with properly configured products, and a working front end and back end. And for just personal reasons, you just have to click or take note of this right here. And then once you're done with that, your easy or your Stripe account will be set up into your Lovable AI. So pretty much it. That's how to set up your Stripe account to Lovable.